In this video, I am going to tell you how to fix Battle.net stuck while updating it. So first of all, you need to open Battle.net as an administrator. If you have installed Battle.net, simply look for it. Right click here in the app and click on Run as administrator. So the next step is to delete Battle.net cache. For this, press Windows and R from your keyboard. Herein you need to type %program data percentage and click on OK. Now you need to open this folder Blizzard Entertainment. Now open Battle.net folder. And now you need to delete this folder cache. Right click here and then you simply need to select the delete option. Now you can simply go to the task manager, and in task manager you can go to processes and you can see Battle.net. You just look for Battle.net. So you can see Battle.net, select it and click on end task, and make sure to now restart your PC. Simply restart your PC. So after restarting your PC, again open Battle.net as an administrator and log into your account. So you can see this is the Battle.net app in my system, and then you need to go to this arrow key at the right hand top left hand side and click on this settings option. Click on the first option app. So you need to, if you see in under advanced feature, there's an option of use browser hardware acceleration. So make sure to uncheck this option and click on done. And you need to restart now or restart later. You can simply click on restart now, and after restarting it you need to see whether this issue resolved or not. If nothing works, you can do one thing. You can uninstall Battle.net from your system. You can go to control panel and you can uninstall it. Click on uninstall a program and select this Battle.net and then click on uninstall a program. After that, you need to open google.com and type in download Battle.net and open this first website, download.battle.net. Make sure to open Battle.net only. So do not install it from any other external website. Make sure to download it from the official website, and from here you can simply download it for your Mac or your mobile or your Windows system. And after downloading it, make sure to check it and whether you are getting this overlay issue or not. And in case you still face any problem, you can mention it in the comment section. I'll make sure to give a reply. And if you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button. Also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.